Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, a very basic but delicious, super easy mushroom fried rice. Nice in a kind of little midweek sort of dish to do. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Really simple, beautiful. So I've got some rice here. I'm using a basmati rice, and I always find cold rice works out well. So get some cold rice. Hot, warm rice, not so good, I don't think. Green onions, I've probably got too much there, but I'm going to put quite a lot in. Or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. 1 onion, a little bit of bell pepper in there, just for a little bit of colour. Tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of fresh sliced ginger. And also you can chop that if you want, I just like it sliced. And our mushrooms, I've got like 150 grams of mushrooms. We're going to start this off with some oil. Very, 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 did I say very? Very easy. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, getting it nice and hot. Everything we do now is going to be on maximum heat. In goes our ginger. Our onion. And our garlic. 2 minutes, keep it moving all the time. Next up is our mushrooms. Super, super easy. Then we go with our mushrooms. I've just sliced them up. Also going to add those bell peppers. Like I said, I've just got them in there for a little bit of colour. If you wanted, maybe put some frozen peas in. We're going to go with a little bit of salt. We're going to go with black pepper. Another 3 minutes. Moving this all the time now. High, high heat. So super, super easy, this one. Next up, we're going to drop in our rice, our cold cooked rice. I'm using basmati. And what's important, you may have heard me say this several times, is this dish is called mushroom fried rice. So let's fry the rice. A lot of people just throw it in here for about a minute or so and serve it. You actually need to cook the rice, fry it away. If I get any sort of browning colour or even blackening on my rice, I'm happy. I like that. About 5 minutes. We're nearly done. Can you hear that? That is rice frying. Very, very important. Like I said, if you get a little bit of browning on that rice or blackening, I think it makes it taste great. Now if you wanted some chili in there, a little bit of soy sauce if you wanted. I'm keeping this really simple. Off goes the heat. We're going to go for a nice big handful of chopped green onions or spring onions or scallions even. So many names for so many different things, aren't there? Little stir in, that's a beauty. Let me get that on a plate for you. All right, there you go. Really simple, basic, but delicious mushroom fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a lot. Do leave a message. We love to hear from you. Keep safe, keep well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June, has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Aromatics or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.